Okay, hi, my name is Tony Pereira. I'm going to talk to you about a brand new application that we're going to launch at this event. It's called the Mitel Secure Collaboration. So what I'll do is I'm going to talk to you about where we deployed it, how we deployed it. So this was deployed actually in a live big event. It was held in Houston on February the 5th. The Patriots won that game, by the way. I can't tell you the name of the game because we have to send them a big check if we mention their name. So I refer to it as the big game in Houston. So you know where it is, right? If you don't, I'll tell you later off. So basically this was deployed at the Emergency Operations Center and also at the stadium. We had live operational teams using it. So we had the actual law enforcement, police officers using it. Now why were they interested in this kind of app? So this was a cloud app. It was deployed in the Amazon S3 cloud, running over the top. So they had a whole bunch of different call servers. It didn't matter because this application basically came over the top, was deployed on the mobile phones, Android, iPhone. It could be deployed on PCs, on Macs, on browsers. So truly a very powerful mobile application. Now, so just to tell you how they operated prior to using the Secure Collaboration app, they had individual radio channels for each of these teams. Now imagine, right, in your headset, if you were listening to everybody here, it's pretty stressful because you can't concentrate, you don't know what's happening, but that's what these guys were forced to use, multiple radio channels. So when they found this app with all the directory in a single place, they could find people in their organization, they could bring people in, they could share information quickly. So overall, I mean, the message we got back from the team was that this was a very, very productive app. They allowed them to be extremely organized, and they were able to keep in touch with all the different teams and really make the event safe. So I'll give you a demo of the actual app. So this is the new iPhone 8, by the way. I'm kidding you. So what you have here, so these teams are all organized into what we call team streams. So you can see that each stream, if I click on one of these streams, you can go in and you can actually see all the information that's been captured. It's all contextual. So I could pull any one of you, I could pull you into the stream. You could come here, you could look at it, and you'd say, oh, okay, I get it. I know what's happening. So you're able to bring new people in very quickly. You can annotate pictures. So you can actually say, look, here's the problem area. This is where we need to send our resources. So instead of having to describe it, and not getting it right, you can actually pinpoint the problem. You can even do, recording. So this is a recording we took early on. So I can actually record the event. It's all done from my phone, right? No special editing. And then what I can then do is I can actually share this. So if I want to share this, say, with another team, I'll just say copy to, send it to another team, and it's done. So this is a huge file that I'm transferring automatically through the cloud to another group. So whatever I'm seeing, they're seeing. So this is the beauty of the app. It's so fast. It can move data, big data, rapidly between different teams. All the information is actually stored in the cloud. So it's securely stored, it's encrypted. It's encrypted at transit, encrypted at rest, and then you can even create project to-do lists. So if I wanted to create a to-do list, I can actually have the team set up with action, due date, what they've done. I can even track it. And then the last thing I'm going to show you is the meet function. So if you wanted to have a quick meeting, if you wanted to talk to some people, you can actually initiate a audio or video call. So if I just hit the start meet button, I can pull this guy into the video conference call. So he's somewhere here. If he answers the phone, I can actually do a live video session. And this is running over the LTE network, over the mobile network. So you can see how quickly you can pull people in. You can put 40 people on this audio video call and have a full collaboration session. So just to give you some stats, this app was used actually on the event day by 855 responders. 390 active policemen were using the app. We were shifting over 58,000 views the time the app was viewed, and 6,800 messages, 1,202 pages. So a lot of information moving, flowing, and people following up and taking action. So they actually called the app the killer app, not because it killed anyone, because it didn't kill anyone. So they actually found that this app made them work really well, offered a great environment for their teams to operate, and they kept the public safe.